Maintenance. Maintenance consists of multiple pieces, typically raising a maintenance incident, monitoring what's going on within the property, some work in progress, closing the incident down, and some reporting on what happened. Let's start by raising an incident. Typically, you will either do it from the control screen with a right click and a maintenance incident, or the receptionist will take a call on the switchboard, or there will be a maintenance incident form filled out and the housekeeper will return it back to the housekeeping department and it'll be keyed in there. So we have the room number. We have two statuses. The room is available, that is, it's a maintenance incident but it's not too serious, or reserved, which means it's a maintenance incident that's serious enough that we would not send a guest to the room. Okay? We can have template messages that come up that do a variety of things within our property. So perhaps in this case here the internet connection is not working. So it's an incident that needs some attention. So we're raising the incident at this point. We're reporting that there is a problem and we're just recording that into the maintenance system, and we will save that. Okay? Tells me the room is occupied, everything's good, assigns me an incident number for internal control. Further, we can see that on the control screen itself, there's a colored bar that's appeared for room 105 that says there is now an outstanding maintenance incident. Not too serious, there is an incident. It's not so serious you couldn't send a guest, but there is an outstanding problem. So visual, so the capturing of the incidents is the first step. After the maintenance incidents have been raised, the maintenance supervisor will monitor the maintenance incidents using this program here. I currently have 4 outstanding maintenance incidents within my property. I have one that's serious, it's at the top of the list, followed by the ones that are not as serious, and they're further sorted by time and date, oldest ones at the top of the list. This list will constantly refresh itself, so it keeps up to date with what's going on. I can further go and look and see the details of the incident we just raised by double-clicking that line. This will show me when the incident was raised, that maintenance is required, that it's available, and the description. So I'm able to see a story for each one of these maintenance incidents as we go along. So as well as raising the incident, we can also do work in progress. So let's dispatch a man to go and investigate what's going on here. We'll send Temba sent to investigate. And the responsible person will pick Temba for that and send him along to investigate. So now we can see here on the monitor program that it's now an in progress. That means I've done something. As the maintenance supervisor, I've got some action initiated on that one here. You can see I've not initiated action on the other ones in there. Temba sent to investigate. Again, I can double click this line and now I get the story. Internet connection not working. Temba has been sent to investigate. I can enter as many of these lines as I want in here. Work in progress. You could order parts. You can schedule outside workers to come in, all kinds of things that may be required to service the request of that particular maintenance incident. The final step on the incident itself will be closing the incident off. So once you're happy that things are done, maybe we'll put in here internet now working. And you can see it's no longer in progress, it's now maintenance fixed. We can save that line there, and it automatically drops off the monitor program. This is showing just the outstanding items that need to be done. If we hop across to the control program, we'll see here that this color refreshes and everything is back to normal. The final part for maintenance is seeing what went on, so the reporting function after the fact. We can display maintenance incidents to see what's going on. If I click in the grid, it'll show me I have it set to show me what's outstanding. So these are the three that would also appear on the maintenance monitoring program. I can of course look at all the incidents and get a list of everything that went on in the property for a certain time. Or I can go and say, show me everything that happened in room 105. And those are the three lines we just did there for incident 106. We started the incident with the internet not working, we sent Temba to investigate, and we closed the incident off. This is very handy for monitoring if you're getting blocked toilets and you think, gee, is room 105, is the toilet continuously being blocked? You come in here and you can see that every week or so the same room has a problem. Or do you find that it's 105 one week and 104 the next and 106 the next, so it just seems like it's one room? Easily coming in and finding data on what's going on. The big advantage, of course, is a centralized database allows you to record and then find this sort of data again after the fact.